Hi there. This episode is the last visit to Getterön this year, so let's see what happens. So it's beginning of October and it's a really nice day. The sun has been up all day, it's no wind. It's kind of late on the year. Most birds have flown south, but hopefully there are some still there. I'm a little late. I had an afternoon nap and suddenly when I woke up, yeah, it was kind of late. So I'm hoping to see something, at least sunset with some nice birds. So we'll see what happens. So Getterön this time of the year is quite empty. It was very low water and I only saw one bird from the photo hide. But when I walked around I could hear the cranes and I think I've got some nice shots. Didn't have much time on this location this time, but the weather was perfect and I felt that I need to get out there and get a last look before the autumn and the ends and the winter takes on. So I hope you enjoyed this little video from Getterön, probably the last one this year. I didn't have much time when I got here, but still got some, I think, nice shots from the sunset and the cranes. And watching the cranes land in that beautiful light is, yeah, that's a really nice experience. So if you like it, give a thumbs up, write a comment and subscribe. And I see you in the next one. Bye.